Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off notification on your Android phone. Friends, these days we all install lot of apps and games which sometimes disturb us by sending notifications. So it's always better to turn off notifications for all less important apps. So to turn off notifications, we need to go to settings. In settings, scroll it little down and you will find option of sound and notifications. In sound and notifications, scroll it little down and you will find option of app notifications. Here you will find all your installed apps. Press on the app for which you want to stop notifications. Now here you will find option of block notifications for this app and you need to enable it if you don't want to receive notifications for this app. And like this you can also block notifications for other apps. And like this you can very easily block notifications for any other less important app. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.